Okay, I have bundled her up. She is totally secure. Feel where the head is on the top here. And I have all the magnetic, the pacifier, the holders, the bows tied on here so they don't get lost. And then inside here I have some goodies, Christmas gifts and an outfit, the certificate of authenticity, and a little Christmas note, thank you. I don't know if you're seeing any of this in the camera here. Anyway, I've cut down a box that's 14 by 12 by 9 high, and it will all fit in there, and it weighs over 9 pounds. I have no idea what the shipping is going to be, but I am getting signature confirmation, and that's the only way I want to ship, is insured completely, full insurance and signature confirmation and priority. Get there within hopefully 3 days, maybe 5 with holidays.